Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. We're docked today here in Valencia, Spain. Check it out. Right now we're up here on the sweet sun deck here on the Symphony of the Seas. The sun deck is actually right here above the solarium. They actually have good views into the solarium. Up here, the sun deck. Got these giant jacks. The sign says, "Please do not climb on artwork." I guess people have climbed it. But check out this view. I mean, there's the city. It's just right there. If you can hear in the background, the crew are doing drills. Nothing to worry about. Nothing's happened right now. Just import this beautiful city. They're doing drills. All right. More views into the solarium. They stayed up here on this sweet sun deck. They've got their own hot tub. And naturally, they have a bar. Hello. Hello. All right. We're up here on deck 16. Good view up into the pools. There are lots of pools. There's lots of these hot tubs. And of course, water slides. Got the perfect storm water slides over there. Got another bar up ahead, the mast bar. Closed right now because we're in port. Most people are off the ship. But not me. That'd be the perfect opportunity to show you this beautiful ship. And look at this. Let's look down into Central Park. There it is down there. But wait, there's more. Look at that.
Your vacation routes and switch your PDAs to live float mode.
Sorry about the wind noise. A little breezy up here. Another view. The pools. There's a hot tub over here, and of course, the Perfect Storm water slides. Over here is one of the cooler water slides. You start up there, spin around a few times, get down into this bowl, and down through the middle, and up one deck down. Speaking of which, let's head one deck down. There's a landing to that bowl slide. You actually end up here. Got some of these cantilevered whirlpools here. Great place to hang out, watch the game. Next up, it's the Solarium. Solarium is an adults-only area, which now have been upgraded to 18 and up. Used to be 16, but now you have to be 18 to enter the Solarium. Lots of wonderful places to sit, relax. Of course, there's hot tubs. And naturally, there's a bar. Get your favorite beverages here. Hot tubs and more hot tubs. There's plenty of place to relax, to enjoy. You will not be bored on the Symphony of the Seas. Plenty to see, plenty to do. This dancing girl here. More of the cantilevered hot tubs. These are the ones here on the port side of the ship. You've already seen the starboard side ones. And the water slides. Here's the landing for that. Guys have a good time? More pools. Lots and lots of pools. And of course, lots and lots of music. Let's gotta have tunes jamming. And up ahead, another bar. Gotta get your favorite beverage. Yep, here at the pool bar. Another hot tub. Another pool. This was kind of closed for maintenance. On the right side of the screen is the smoking section. It's a great place to socialize. Up ahead is the Paddy Dive Center. Believe it or not, you can actually get certified for scuba and open water diving on a cruise ship. Yes, really. You can also purchase gear here too. Again, it's closed right now because we're in port. But wow. Up ahead, you can see it, I'm sure. Miniature golf. You can actually play a game of miniature golf. Play a couple rounds of golf on a cruise ship. That's crazy, right? This is the landing for the zip line. A zip line on a ship? Yeah. There's where it starts, up there. And where do you zip? Across the boardwalk. That's nuts. Crazy. Got ping pong tables. And over here is probably the best view on any Oasis class ship. Right here, into the boardwalk. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Up ahead here is El Loco Fresh. El Loco Fresh is a complimentary restaurant. Some really good Mexican food here. And like I said, it's complimentary. That's the best part. Got your fixins bar over here. And up ahead here is where you pick out your tacos, burritos, quesadillas. Wonderful. Did I mention it's complimentary? This is a very neat, very welcome feature on a lot of newer ships. This area here called Unboxed. Let's check it out. Inside here at Unboxed, they have these vending machines. You can purchase all the goodies you forgot or ran out of. Yep. All kinds of stuff. Not only that, they have charging stations. No charge. Get it? All right. We'll go down the starboard side of the ship. I'll have to go back through El Loco Fresh. Not like that's a problem or anything. If they were open at the time, I'd pick up a burrito. They're that good. Alright. A pickleball up ahead. Yeah, you can play pickleball. So you can see they got several games going on right now. Pickleball. All right. And here I am again, in case you forgot what it looked like. Up ahead here, wonderful view of the port. You got the anglerfish. That there's a dry slide called the Ultimate Abyss.